Well, we may have found a new favorite campsite down here on Beaver Lake, and I may actually be able to convince Tammy to let y'all know where it's at.
No way, Jose. I'm keeping this one to myself.
So this weekend we're down at Lost Bridge South Campground, and we've just been really enjoying this campground. We've been used to camping at Starkey Campground, which is actually right across the lake from where we're at now. You can see it from where we're at. And we just decided that we'd try this one out. And honestly, the facilities, we like Starkey, but I think this one's even better.
Yes, I agree.
So some of the pluses here, the bathroom facilities are great. Each bathroom has its own shower, has its own full plumbing toilet, sink. Makes it a lot better than the vault toilets that we've been used to at like Starkey.
Right.
One of the other pluses is we are right on the water. The campsites are adjacent to the water. You can walk right from your site straight down to the water. And we're in a cove, so we're not on the main channel of the lake, so you don't have the boats flying by quite as much as like what we did over on the other side of the lake.
Right. The boats seem to go pretty close to Starkey to go kind of around it.
Yeah.
It's kind of a main channel right in through there. So for us in paddleboarding, it makes it a little more dangerous over there.
Yeah. The drawback is we do have a boat ramp right next to our site. We're at campsite 4, and so all day you see the boats up and down the boat ramp, which can get a little old after a while.
But some very pretty and interesting boats we've seen this weekend.
Yes, and then we have. So we've really enjoyed our trip down here to Lost Bridge South, and we're looking forward to our future adventures here. We highly recommend you check it out if you get the opportunity. Well, thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.